Hi there, I'm Andrew. Today, we're going to chat about why it's so important to choose a good CDN for storing images in your emails. First off, what's a CDN? It's like a group of servers all over the world that work together to deliver internet content like web pages and images quickly, based on where you are. Now, a top-notch CDN can do great things like store images, lighten the load on email servers, make emails open faster, handle lots of traffic without crashing, keep your content safe. But if you go with a low-quality CDN, you might face problems like images taking forever to load, the CDN being down a lot, not being able to handle lots of visitors, security risks, limits on how much bandwidth you can use. Also, watch out. Some free CDNs are used by spammers and can hurt your brand's reputation, making your emails end up in the spam folder. Here's where Campaign Cleaner comes in. If we spot you using a not-so-great CDN, we'll help you smoothly switch your images to our CDN. We're supported by Cloudflare, which is super fast and reliable everywhere in the world. Let's see this in action. I've got an email campaign here from an affiliate that's using a bad CDN. I already cleaned this campaign. Now, let's head to the Campaign Analysis tab, and then check out the Poor Delivery Content Delivery Network section. Here, you'll notice that it's pointed out the CDN from Everflow. The reason it's flagged is due to this CDN's poor standing with spam filters. If you take a peek at spam.org, you'll see this particular CDN mentioned quite a bit. That's a clear sign that it's best to steer clear of it. By moving your image hosting to the high-quality CDN provided by Campaign Cleaner, using the Change CDN automated tool, you'll reduce the risk of the email being marked as spam. Just toggle the button and click on Update. It's done. Let's take a look. As you can see, the image has been moved off Everflow CDN onto Campaign Cleaner's CDN for better delivery. To recap, always host your images on CDNs that are fast, reliable, and have a great reputation, like Campaign Cleaner.